Over you guys, I'm still in the Costco business center. So we have the Kirkland ground beef. They're $19.89. And you know you get 3 in here, same price in your regular Costco. Now this one is new. I have never seen the halal ground beef. $12.99, 3-pound cell unit, 80% lean, 20% fat. Now this one you can find in the business center. So I've been coming here to buy like the big chub. So we have like 90% lean, 10% fat, $36, and these are 10 pounds. They do have 80%. It's gonna be $8, an $8 difference. They're $2.69 a pound, so about like 27 most of them. But I do, because I make dog food, so this gets blended in with like liver and bison. They also have 73% here. 73% is $2.39 a pound, so like $23. So this saves me more money than getting like the 5 or 4.5 pound of ground beef at Costco, because they're like $30. Okay, I know we've seen a lot of this beef before already. The diced one, it looks like they're gonna restock this one. If you're wanting diced like pork, it's gonna be $25, and that's a 10 pound. A 10 pounder right here. Good for tacos. $10.99. You have the soft pretzel. I'm gonna close that. It's cold. Very cold. So jumbo corn dogs. This is chicken. I've never seen that. I mean, I've seen it like mixed, like chicken and pork and stuff and beef, but I've never seen like a whole chicken one. But it's $12.99, you guys, for 28. Okay, this one is new. It is going to be egg, sausage, and white cheddar. 18 grams of protein. They're individually wrapped. You get 6 in here, cage-free eggs. And egg rolls. You get 16 in here for only $9. Now I know we've seen these before, but there's so many versions of chimichanga. We have shredded steak and cheese, 17 for 18. And then next to me is a different brand, you guys. So these are going to be 20 and you get 18. Taquitos, $14.79. You get 30. You can also find this in your regular Costco. The fajita bowl is $10.99. Grilled chicken breast with chipotle sauce, pepper, and black bean. So by Don Miguel, $20. This one has no beans. And then next to me, this is chicken and cheese. And your shredded beef with cheese is the same price, $20. No beans. It has like beef, green, bell pepper, chili. $11.79 for French bread pizza. So the pot stickers, they're chicken. They're $10.99. And then on top we have chicken and cilantro for $10.99, and they're going to be mini. And a 3-pound is $13.89. It's going to be a little different. Then we have your spicy beef patties, $11.39. A lot of you are telling me to try this one, but I need to find it not in bulk though. And down here, again, you can find this in regular Costco, $12.99. And look, they have many versions, but they only have the beef one here. Let's see if I could turn this bad boy around while I freeze in here. We have a vegetable one, chicken, and the beefy one. A 6-pack of spicy chicken sandwich is $15. And $17.99. So a 10-pound of grilled chicken strips is $40. And we have the 10-pound chicken breast by Foster for $24. And 140 product of USA, Alaska, sablefish, wild caught. And that is a 10-pound box. Now down here, The sockeye salmon fillet is $8.99. So I pull this one out. See the price on it. So about $11. Okay, they have this here. They also have deep sea snapper. Now that one's going to be a 2-pack for $29.97. Is down here. Raw shrimp. Okay, tail on 2-pound. Farm raised $11.99. Another 2-pound. Now we have the black tiger tail on for $20. Then we have the cook tail off for 2-pound, $11.99. So $25.99 is a 2-pound bag. Very similar to the one right now in Sam's Club. And $340 for the 10-pound lobster tail. And $29.99 Old South Heat and Serve. So we have Philly's Best Steak Company flat beef steak for $43. And it looks we have Gary's Quick Steak 100% sirloin, $29.97. So it's like already for you. Just open the packet, cook it, and serve it. Okay. A 4-pound of beef marrow bones is $12.99. I've never tried the bread, but there's no price on it, so I can't tell you. It looks like maybe you get 3. Oh, that's like toast, right? It's like a hard cracker bread. I thought it was the bread. You get 3 packets in here, no price. They also have, let's see, the minis, the vanilla mini muffin. They're like flavored. None of these have prices on them. Okay, I feel like everything here is $8.39. They have a little sign that says $8.39 for this and this. What do you got? Strawberry and pineapple filled cookie. You get 22 in here. That's a new one, and this one is new here. Again, $8.39. If you're needing a cherry pie, okay, $9.49. You get 16. Same with your apple, $9.49. I wonder where their tortillas come from. Oh, Romero's. Okay. You get like a 6 count for $2.99. I mean, if you want fresh tortillas, guys, and you're in the Costco business center, right next is like Ranch Market, you can get fresh made tortillas. They have corn here for $1.89. The crumb donut is going to be a new one, a 6 count for $10.99. Then we have your chocolate, $10.99, and also your powder donut. And don't forget about this cheesecake, okay? The cheesecake is $11. I'm not too sure if I've seen this, but $12.79. You know, you get the large. You're gonna get the large ones here, and even the beans, $5.39. Yeah, everything here is gonna be like a chili bean. They even have like gravy if I can find it. $6.69 here. Those are pinto beans, and $11.99. That is an 8-pack. 8-pack right here. The udon is $18.89. The udon bowls, and then $10.99. You're gonna find more soups here than your regular Costco, in my opinion, and even Sam's Club. Not as much. You only get 6 in here. Then we're gonna keep going. This one you can find in regular Costco, $12.79. Top ramen, $13.79. You get 48. And then $15.99. This one is gonna be spicy. More bowl noodles, $18, and you get 18 in here. And same price over here. This one is a kimchi bowl. And then we have the cup of noodles for $11.69. You get 24. This one's beef. I'm pretty sure they have like chicken. They have the shrimp. And then your chicken. A 25-pound of pinto beans are $19, which I am doing it this time, you guys. I am not buying beans anymore in the grocery store. Getting a little too pricey. Like 2 can of small beans is $3. Ridiculous. I'm going to make them, smash them, and freeze them. $19 here. Now this one is a black bean for $40. It's a 50-pound bag. And your small red bean at 25-pound is $21.89. Okay, I found molasses, a gallon, $17.49. I don't think I ever seen this one here. Next to me, cornstarch, $4.69. On the cornstarch, you know people use cornstarch for their dry shampoo. Green sriracha, you get 2 for $7.49. And over here we have Thai chili sweet spicy at $4.97 for the tag. Oh gosh, so much darkness. Alright you guys, that is gonna do it for this video, and I'm gonna make a video of just snacks because I know a lot of people want to see them, and sometimes, you know, when they're by themselves it's easier to find. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.